Well, I'm excited to be here this morning with Jamie Brennerman of Chattanooga Exterior on the deck. Thanks for being here today, Jamie.
Thank you for having me.
So I've enjoyed learning about this durable decking you all sell. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, so this is Trex decking. So this is kind of the replacement for wood. So when people are looking at replacing their deck, it could be just they want to build a new deck, or it could be just to replace the deck boards and the rails. A lot of people are going with this Trex composite decking because it offers low maintenance, long lasting. They don't have to maintain it. They don't have the pressure washing. You don't have the splinters.
Right.
You don't have all the bad stuff that comes along with wood. So especially people with young kids, they really like this because they don't have to worry about their kids getting splinters all in their hands.
Now, what is it made of exactly?
So it's all recycled materials. There's some fibers. There's some PVC products in there. So it's a lot of stuff in there is all recyclable materials, and they put this cap on it that keeps it weatherproof and durable.
So what maintenance is needed? Surely something.
So I tell people probably wash it off with a water hose. Now if you spill something on it, like that's just going to stain, like mustard or wine or something, you want to clean that right away.
Right.
But if it's something like just natural, like pollen and stuff that comes from the air, you just wash that off probably once or twice a year, just with a water hose, no pressure. But if you want to, you can pressure wash it, a light pressure wash,
right,
and it comes clean.
Oh,
so,
I love it.
Yeah,
now these are pretty. I've been looking at this little setup. What's this?
So this is Trex railing and posts. So this is, these are composite posts right here, and this is aluminum rails.
Oh,
So,
I see. It's like a combination of the durability and the actual aluminum.
Yeah, so the rail comes in a couple different colors and the post comes in several different colors. So really what we can do is when we design these decks for you is we come out and kind of look at what colors you have with your house.
Right.
And so if you had a brown, black, kind of some accents going on, then we would recommend this combination. But you got white post, black post, so there's white rail, black rail, bronze rail. So there's a lot of different combinations that you can choose from that really personalize and make your deck your own.
Speaking of designing and coming out, how can someone get a quote or get you all to come out to have a look?
Yeah, so you can call us at 805-3800 and we'll answer the phone. We'll get back to you if we don't get on the phone right away. Or you can go on our website, ChattanoogaExteriors.com. You fill out the contact form. We'll call you right away. We'll set that appointment. We'll have one of our design specialists come out there, design the deck, give you a quote on it, and we'll go from there.
In addition to these amazing products being made in the USA, supplies are good.
Yeah.
And you have a special financing option going on right now.
Yeah, so right now we have the 12 months, no interest, no payment. So basically you can use free money for 12 months and then go ahead and get your deck, enjoy it, and then this time next year pay it all off and be done with it.
And with our storms in the area the past 10 years or so, do you see a durability with these?
Oh, yeah. You don't have to worry about anything with these decks with the durability. It lasts forever. There's 25-year warranty.
Wow.
Yeah, so
that's
you're
amazing,
great.
actually. That's an impressive warranty. Well, thank you so much for being here today, Jamie. I really liked learning about this product you sell that's so durable and amazing.
Thank you.
So that's Jamie Brennerman with Chattanooga Exterior on the deck, and you can find them at ChattanoogaExteriors.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you.